Hi everyone, welcome to the Inner Path. We're living in times of uncertainty, and fear prevents us from having the lifestyle we so desire. However, you must find your inner peace. This inner peace alone will give you the clarity to understand and overcome the obstacles that block the path to a fulfilled life. So, welcome again, and thank you for joining us as we explore the simple tools to increase your spiritual energy for balance, purpose, and joy. Thank you. We are learning to use the universal laws constructively in our lives. Take it easy, all right? Don't hurry. You are going to live forever somewhere. In fact, you are in eternity now. So why rush? Don't worry. What will this thing matter in 20 years' time? You belong to God, and God is love. So why fret? Don't condemn. As you cannot get under the other fellow's skin, you cannot possibly know the difficulties he has had to meet, how much temptation or misunderstanding or stupidity within himself he has had to overcome. You are not perfect yourself and might be much worse in his shoes. So, judge not. Don't resent. If wrong has been done, the great law will surely take care of it. Rise up in consciousness and set both yourself and the delinquent free. Forgiveness is the strongest medicine. Don't grumble. Consume your own smoke. Your own concept is what you see, so treat and change that. Don't grab. You cannot hold what does not belong to you by right of consciousness anyway. Grabbing postpones your good. Don't shove. You are always in the right place at the right moment. If you don't like it, change it scientifically by rising in consciousness. This will be permanent. Learn to use these laws, the laws of the universe. Learn to use them constructively in your own life. If you are not, you must change your habits of thinking without delay, for the laws of thought are the laws of destiny. And remember, a small spark can start a great fire. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening to Inner Path, streaming right here on One Jamaica TV.